Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best computer case fan. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Upsiren WF120 ARGB PWM 3-pieces chassis fan. Specifications: brand name, Upsiren. Model number, WF120. Fan size, 120mm. Voltage, 12 volts. Fan speed, 1000 to 2000 revolutions per minute. Used for case, radiator. Fan life, 20,000 hours. Blade quantity, 9. Air volume, 73. Number 4 on our list is 1000-2000 RPM PWM 5 volts 3-pin ARGB wireless fan. Specifications: brand name, Tuser. Model number, JM4. Fan size, 120mm. Series, JM. Voltage, 12 volts. Fan speed, 1000 to 1000 revolutions per minute. Used for case, radiator. Fan life, 100,000 hours. Blade quantity, 9. Bearing, fluid bearing. Air volume, 72.3. Number 3 on our list is Jungle Leopard Interstellar SE building block fan. Specifications: brand name, no_null. Model number, Interstellar SE. Fan size, 120mm. Voltage, 12 volts. Fan speed, 800 to 2000 revolutions per minute. Used for case, radiator. Lines, 2 lines. Blade quantity, 7. Bearing, fluid bearing. Number 2 on our list is Tuser JM1 computer case fan ARGB mirror recycle light effect. Specifications: brand name, Tuser. Model number, JM1. Used for case, radiator. Voltage, 12 volts. Fan speed, 800 to 2000 revolutions per minute. Power interface, 3-pin 4-pin. Fan life, 100,000 hours. Blade quantity, 9. Bearing, fluid bearing. Fan size, 120mm. Number 1 on our list is iigo AR12 120mm PC computer case fan RGB heatsink. Specifications: brand name, iigo. Model number, AR12. Voltage, 12 volts. Air volume, 48. Fan size, 120mm. Fan speed, 1200 to 1350. Used for case. Lines, 6 lines. Fan life, 100,000 hours. Blade quantity, 7. Bearing, fluid bearing. Power, 3.